Hello everybody, I'm Josh Korick and this is your Blue Edge Energy Natural Gas Market Update. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, catch more videos like this on YouTube, and visit our website right here, blueedgeenergy.com, for some more information. Before we jump into it, I want to give you a little information regarding the market and the hot topic item right now, which is the coronavirus. It has sent the market of gas up and down. We've seen the April price of gas go as low as $1.61 recently, all the way up to $2 a decatherm. And when we look ahead to contracts for gas pricing in January in 2021 and 2022, I'm going to put up a graph here. You can see that the black line is January of 2021 and the blue line is January of 2022. And what we're seeing is a trend in the price over time, over the past couple months. And you can see that the January 2021 contract has spiked way up. Meanwhile, the January 2022 contract is just kind of limped along at its low price. We know that a lot of the natural gas comes from the oil fields as well. And the oil price right now and a lot of what's going on between OPEC and Russia is impacting the gas market. Of course, you also have the coronavirus itself, which is slowing the global market down. And so we have no idea exactly how this is all going to shuffle out when it comes down to the price of natural gas going forward, until some of these things get worked out. Like, how bad is this really going to be on the global economy? And as Blake pointed out from his historical perspective, to me, which is Hurricane Katrina, the answer is you really did not know the answer until a couple weeks after everything kind of shuffled out. So it's a little bit of an update. It's a little bit of a take on where the gas price is looking in the next couple winters. And as we do our RFP cycles right now, we are watching this very closely, because once we come out of that, if we do a hedge or not, there's a lot to look at right now to determine if this is logical. So that all being said at the moment, let's jump right into where we are today. The April natural gas contract price is $1.84.1. That is up 6.9 cents since last week. And if you remember, the month we're in of March, the price of gas fell off the books at $1.82.1. So let's take a look at where the storage report came in for this week. Right now, the report showed a withdrawal of 48 BCF, which is way less than where we were last year at 200 BCF. That puts our overall inventory at 2,043 BCF. What does that mean when it comes to dollars and cents and just the overall picture from the past? Well, we are 796 BCF where we were last year. That's a 64% above last year's storage mark. And we're 220 BCF above the 5-year moving average. Just a quick graph I want to show you. This goes to show you the injections, which are for this season in red versus the 5-year average in blue. When the red line is above the blue line, that means that it has been a smaller withdrawal than normal. And when it goes the other way, it's been over. And you can see most of the winter has sat where it has been a lower withdrawal than normal, and that's why we have such a large inventory going in to this next injection season. So let's take a look ahead at some future prices. For next winter, we're seeing prices at $2.50.6. That's up 11.5 cents since last week, as we showed you in the graph earlier. And then when we look to the winter after that, 2022, the price is $2.48.6. And that's simply up a paltry 0.6 of a cent. If we look at the calendar strip price for 2021, we're at $2.34.9. That's up 4.5 cents. And when we look out the next year at 2022, we're at $2.34.3. That's down about 3 cents as well. When we look at the weather forecast, let's take a quick peek at the graph of that. We see the Wisconsin near-term forecast is calling for seasonal temperatures. The national forecast, 18 to 14 days out, is calling for warmer temperatures in east with cooler temperatures moving in from the west. However, as we move into the second half of March, none of this weather seems to be having a significant impact overall on the gas market itself. And the last note I want to put out to you here is we are in RFP season. We've just got some back here yesterday. We have more coming in next week. We have more coming in the week after, and so on and so forth. We have 6 different suppliers bidding on this competitively, which is wonderful. 2 who are choosing not to. We continue to work and reach out to them to do this, but we can't control some of people's behaviors and what they choose to do and not to do. But the good news is we've got competition. We're working to market for you. We're working to contract for you. And obviously, as you know, and anybody who watches this that works with us, we are always seeking out your best interest in the matter. For this week, I'm Josh Korick. This is your Blue Edge Weekly Update. Have a wonderful, safe weekend. Take care.